What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another quick update on the C63 AMG parts. Just stopped by the grocery store to get a whole bunch of food. Now we gotta go pick up some tires because we found a nice set of tires for a cheap price. We're gonna resell them, make some money. It's gonna be good. However, most important thing is we have received some parts for the suspension for the C63 AMG, and we're still waiting on some stuff because, well, let's just say that it is stuck in customs, and they want duties as always. But you know, we'll eventually get everything. I'm just waiting on one more package to be delivered to New York, which has pretty much some of like the, what do you call it, like the shock parts, like not the actual shock itself. Those ones have already arrived. I just want them to send all three packages at the same time because one of the packages has two of the front struts, one of the packages has the two rear struts, and then one of the packages has the shock bump stops and the rubber piece that sits around like the around the shock, obviously to prevent all the dirt and everything getting in there. So we pretty much received everything. We have got our transmission fluid, which I'm going to show you guys right here. So here's the parts that we got so far. We got our MB 236.15 blue automatic transmission fluid. It's full, got 5 liters. Did a quick video on that one recently. It's the differential additive that we're gonna put into the C63. And then we got the shock spring bump stops. So the springs will pretty much sit there, I believe. So we need those two and the rest of the parts. Anyways, that's the parts that we received. Now, I just gotta wait for those last things to come. It is currently Sunday the 13th, yes, looks like the 13th. Yep, the 13th. So hopefully the parts are gonna arrive in about 3-4 days, and then as soon as we get everything, we're gonna unbox it all and get you guys a quick little unboxing of all the parts. And then we'll finally get to the install of this part of the rebuild for the suspension and all the fluids. Headlights we're gonna do next because I realize that I'm gonna have to take out the headlights and check underneath the headlights, most likely the ballasts that have got water or some sort of corrosion or whatever. So we're gonna have to take out the headlights, but that's gonna be in a completely other video. I don't want to start ordering parts for the headlights and then find out that it's actually, you know, something else. So until we diagnose it, we cannot order anything, and that's gonna be for a separate video. But in the meanwhile, we've pretty much got everything, just waiting for the last little bits. And yeah, I'm super excited. That's pretty much all we got to report. Anyways, let's go pick up some tires, and I'll see you guys in the next part of the video. Okay guys, so we bought the tires. We're probably gonna resell them. They are kind of a very similar size to the C63 AMG rear tires, but I don't know, we'll see. If we need tires very urgently, then we'll use these ones, but if not, we're just gonna resell them and we're gonna make some money, because at the end of the day, all these parts are crazy expensive. Like, import this, tax this, like, they're even saying that there's gonna be a VAT charge. Like what? We live in Canada. Why would the USA charge VAT? I don't know. Maybe I'm just looking at it incorrectly, but I will show you guys the invoice once the final invoice gets sent to me. Like, the amount of stuff that gets charged just because they can is crazy. And I would have just ordered it kind of, you know, locally here, but the price was so much higher than ordering it from outside of Canada and still taking the hit on all of the fees and duties and charges and this and that and like, not tariffs, but you know, it gets included in the price. It's crazy. So honestly, like, just financing this project has been it's fine, whatever, but it's still expensive. And then we still have to install everything. So, you know, we're just kind of taking it step by step, little by little, getting the car fixed, dialed in. Like, runs great, but you know, I'd rather do all this stuff as preventative maintenance before it actually fails, and then I can't get parts quickly, or if I have to, I'll have to pay, like, you know, pretty much dealership level pricing, which is, it's not worth it. There's no point. So now we're gonna get parts at a, you know, decent price, and then we'll install everything soon and we'll be good. But yeah, it's been hasn't been tough, but it's been nice, been steady going with everything. And at the end of the day, we got to make as much money as possible, because I'm sorry, but that's just how it is. If your focus is not to make money, then, well, I don't think you're doing it properly. Well, doing it, I don't know. What do you define even as doing it? Whatever you're doing, if the goal is to not somehow make money from it, well, then you're doing it wrong. So let's just say that. Whew, that was a hot one. It's a hot day. It's plus 31 and it's already 7 p.m. Like, this is crazy. It's way too hot recently, but it's been nice. Like Tuesday or whatever is gonna be like plus 34. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. I love it when people are kind of like nice and they kind of, you know, wave you through, especially when you have a nice car. Ooh. All right, guys, we're gonna pull up and offload all of these tires, have some dinner, and then, yeah, just pretty much get ready for all the parts to arrive, and we will be good. So yeah, thanks all for watching this quick little update, and I am super excited for the next one with all the parts installs. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.